Hi, I'm Mike Scott with Fisher Metal Detectors, here today with the F75, the ultimate detector. The F75 is easy enough to use for the beginner, but has the most advanced features for the discerning treasure hunter. It comes with a double D 11-inch fully waterproof coil, and comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. I'll show you some of the features. The F75 has all the features you need right here at your fingertips, without any hidden menu items. Everything is easy to see right on the control screen. You can adjust it by scrolling through your menus with this red button here. It shows us our sensitivity level, our discrimination level, our notch option, our adjustable numbers of tones. We can go from 1 tone all the way up to 99. And our process numbers. Different process numbers will work better in different environments. If we want to go to the right side of our screen, we go again to the top and turn our setting adjustment here to the all metal mode, which we have a stationary, motion, threshold adjustment, audio pitch, a sensitivity in the all metal, or a manual ground balance. For demonstration purposes, we're going to go here to the discrimination side. On the screen, we have a digital numerical readout for our target identification, as well as our categories across the top, which will also ID our targets. We have an on-the-fly depth reading, a confidence meter, we have an iron mineralization readout, and the all-important battery gauge. Here's a quarter. It's going to give us a nice high tone, mark the quarter up top here, and give you a number right in the 80 range. A nickel is going to give us a much lower tone and read in the nickel range with a lower number. The F75 is the best multi-purpose detector on the market. It has features that are easy enough for the beginner to use, and the advanced features are the ones desired by the most professional of treasure hunters.